Hey everyone, quick update on some of the air plants. We just got in. These guys just came in today. So you can see there's a mix of a few different colors. A lot of these, they're grown in a greenhouse, so they're getting the bright light from above, but you just want to keep it in a fairly bright indirect window. I usually dump these in water for about a half hour once a week. And then once you take them out, shake them upside down to get the water out of where the new growth is, or else they can rot. As you can see, some of these ones also too, they have some flowers starting there. And then once the air plants bloom, it takes about a year or so, I believe, before they die off. And then once the mother plant dies, they slowly grow some pups on the bottom, so then you get a few extra plants. Yeah, this one here, this is hericium. It's some of the rubra large there. Some capitata peach at the back. These are, I guess, like a newer one now. This is like the ionantha cluster, so you get 3 different ones. Basically, this is what it would look like once the mother plant died off. It would be in the center there, the mother plant here, and then this would die off, and then all the little pups would shoot off to the side. Some of the scaposas here, which are quite a neat air plant, and then the rest of them are all either like a fugo variety and ionantha rubras. Yeah, I just kind of put this together. I decorated with a little bit of sand just to make them look a little more decorative, I guess. But I always put some logs in there, and then I just threw a couple little ceramic cows in there as well. Other than that, we got a couple of the cholla wood, a couple large sizes. These guys you can just basically stand them up on a table. You can throw some air plants inside, or you can just put one on the top. They sit in there nicely. And then you can also fill all these little holes on the side there and make it look like they're kind of growing outside, because naturally air plants do grow out of trees. So if you kind of have that hanging up, and then a few air plants hanging out of all these little pockets on the side, it's going to look kind of neat. Or you can put them in glass bowls, glass jars, and that'll also help hold some of the humidity. So yeah, we usually do kind of weekly or every second week new air plants, so we'll give you another update when we get some new ones in. And then this one, yeah, this one here is the prunosa, which has some nice purple color and then kind of that sparkly gray on the leaves. All right, hope you like the video.